this helps children affect. We are your focus, and climate is all about the conversion of wind energy into electricity. Thank you. Wind is all the nation. Wind power describes the process by which we convert kinetic energy found in the blades from the blade into the electricity. The energy in the wind form 2 or 3 propellers like blades are a rotor. The rotor is connected to the main shaft, which spins a generator to create electricity that can be used by home. Thank you. Blades are connected to an electromagnetic generator that generates electricity when the wind causes the blade to spin. The electricity can be used at home, schools, and businesses. Thank you. I'm going to get the source of this energy. Energy is a renewable source of energy. It is a clean energy source. This award inconsistent electricity output. 2. Noise pollution. 3. Wind turbines harm wildlife. 4. Installation is expensive. Thank you. Power and all. Wow! Look at how wind energy has been converted into electricity. Thank you. Solar energy can all heat their energy stored. It is cheaper to run solar energy because the sun always gives heat. Solar energy is the renewable energy. The oldest use of solar energy is only heating, cooking, and drying. I also use products such as calculators and watches. Solar panels work a lot like plants. Plants use a process called photosynthesis to absorb sunlight and change it into the energy they need to grow. Solar plants do the same thing that change sunlight into electricity. Of electricity called alternating current because it cannot use direct current. Indirect current DC into alternating current AC. The solar panel sends newly created electricity to a device called an inverter. Thank you. This is how to turn it on. When you put it on this side, it is the source of the light. Thank you. Overhead, there's a color infusion fountain. Color is the appearance of three colors. Primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. When you mix red and yellow, you will get orange color. When you mix yellow and blue, you will get green color. Thank you. The candy colors are purple, green, and orange. Thank you. When you mix red and blue, it will give you all the you get a black color. Yes. As air flows body, the air pressure increases, which puts the pressure on the water. This pushes the pressure up and out with an amount of force. Thank you.